welcome back to my channel. So returning subscribers will know that I am a university student at the University of East Anglia in Norfolk, UK. I study history and I am now going into my second year of university at UEA. For this week's video I thought I'd just give you a bit of a room tour of my new university room. So I basically decided that I didn't like the furniture that was already in my room and the landlord was perfectly happy for me to change it. So of course we had to have a trip to IKEA. It's so free. Now we're getting wild. Yeah, they gon' talk about me, 'cause you are mine, so you better let them know about me. Tell me if you're down. That's going to fit in there.
There you go.
If you're riding, I'm dying, I promise you won't never. So that gives you a bit of a preview of my room. Unfortunately our IKEA trip was not very successful. I literally came home with just a desk, didn't get any of my other furniture I wanted, so I ended up having to wait another day and then buying it from Argos instead, which is a bit annoying, but I've got it in now. This video has basically taken so long to produce because when we first moved in we had quite a few problems with the house. We then went away and it's just taken me time to be able to save up to buy everything for my room as well. So as you walk in, the first thing you see is my shoe rack. Not all of these are my shoes, by the way, I'm selling some for my mum, but it's really good for saving space. Chest of drawers is new, and as I said, this was just from Argos. On the top, I've got a basket just of stuff like hair things and deodorant. Got my makeup bag and my mirror, and then my photo of me and my little baby pussycat, he's so cute. And then just my watch, some jewellery, perfume, and that's just where I keep my hairbrush as well. Being a nerdy history student, this little corner is literally my favourite part of my room. I love the ivy plant up against the gold bookshelf, and this bookshelf is specifically for my reference books that I'll need for my essays. I've then got a little bit of storage on top of my wardrobe where I just keep like my scarves, my uniform, my fan, and then this is my wardrobe again from Argos, so it's a matching set. This is another part of my room that I really love. So the evening sun is so lovely in my room, and then I've got this little plant and just a gold bee, so I'm really trying to stick with the gold theme. On this windowsill I've just got a photo of me and Alex in Thailand, and then another photo of my cat which was gifted to me. Next part of my room is my bed. So it's a double bed. I bought all these cushions today, they literally came today, which is really exciting. This little teddy, she's called Tilly. She's really cute, and that was my anniversary present from Alex one year. This headboard I hated when I first got here, I absolutely hated it, and there was no way I was gonna have it. But it's really growing on me. I feel like it could actually go really well with the gold. If you put them next to each other, I feel like they could look okay. Area needs sorting. So I basically got, here is like my nail kit for my next gen, and I've got some photo albums which I really need to finish. I've then got my folders for my uni stuff, all my finance things, etc. These shoes, again, are not mine. I am selling them for my mum. I've then got a box of like books, so there's anything in there from notepads to my flute book to a finance and bookkeeping book, and then my printer. Next thing you come to is my desk area. I've got my ring light which I use for filming, I've got my computer and my iPad. I've then got another photo of me and Alex that was taken in Mallorca, again that was a gift. I've got my pencil pot. This is actually meant to be a vase and it was from Tiger, but I really like it, it's just a pen pot and it's quite cute. And of course, anyone who knows me knows I always have a to-do list, so here is my to-do list for today and tomorrow. So this is what I mean about the evening sun. It's just so lovely to have that in your room whilst you're working.